Today I will talk about butterfly embroidery on cotton tunic. Hi everyone, if you don't already know me, my name is Vesna. Welcome back to my embroidery and DIY channel. My wish is to teach you how to embroider and how to add embroidery to everyday life. If you want more content like this, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Hi everyone, today I just wanted to show you how I embroider on my sweater my cute little butterflies. As you can see, my sweater is Tunica is 100% cotton. I washed it first before I started to embroider. These cute butterflies are pre-printed, so I decided to leave the print and just to fill the inside of the butterflies with embroidery. These cute butterflies are pre-printed, so I decided to leave the print visible and just to fill the inside of the butterflies with my embroidery thread. Here I have used only 2 strands, and I will be honest, I don't like the texture that I got, so I have decided to make them symmetrical and leave the upper part empty for now until I decide how I want to fill them. With this butterfly I have used 3 strands, not 6, because I thought that 6 strands will be too thick and I didn't want to have them. So I have decided to use 3 strands, and I really like how it looks. To embroider my third butterfly, and I will show you now how easy it is to embroider on a cotton tunica, or this could also be a cotton t-shirt or a sweater. I have checked, and this one has a little bit of shrinkage, 5%, and that's why it is very important that you first wash the t-shirt or sweater and embroider later, because after that you can get the puckles inside of the embroidery, of the finished embroidery, and you don't want that. And now I will show you how I embroider on my tunica. For the embroidery I use embroidery hoop. I put on extra fabric so I don't damage the fabric that I'm working on. The pattern must fit inside my hoop, and then I put the second part of the hoop on top. Here I make sure that my pattern is evenly stretched, not too much and not too little. Please don't pull it too much, because you will distort the fabric and you don't want that. I am using anchor thread. This one is 128 or 29. I am not quite sure. I already have some left over. This one may be a little bit difficult to get inside my needle, that's why I will cut it away. I am putting a little saliva. With the needle it is important that the eye of the needle is big enough to fit the threads through. Now I will show you how I don't have, if you check out, I don't have any knots here because I don't want them. And now I will show you how I start to embroider, so I don't need to make any knots. I will embroider this part of the butterfly, and I will, you can start embroidering anywhere. I will make 2 short stitches. This will act like stop stitches. And for this embroidery I used straight stitches. I have an embroidery video for straight stitch already on my channel. I will link it below. I was already thinking that I could also use a satin stitch, but in the end I decided for the straight stitch. It is very interesting story why I decided to embroider these butterflies. I really like this tunic, but the butterflies look so sad because they are so dark inside, so I decided to add some color and also to add some life to my clothes because I like different colors. And also, if you meet a lady that has been shopping at the same shop as you are and you add a little bit of your own style and uniqueness, then it doesn't look the same. And I really don't like to go to a party and see a lady wearing the same tunic as I do. I think that you understand that. And then I just play with long and short stitches. I make some of them long and some of them short. And as I embroider, I try to make sure that I don't cover the printed lines of the butterfly. As you are embroidering, please make sure that you are not pulling too tight. You must be very gentle and pull only as much as you have the tightened fabric. Don't pull too much. It's better to leave them more loose, because then the stitches can have some movement and they will look prettier on your t-shirt or sweater. And then as I embroider, I just look where are the empty stitches and I add them to the places that I think that should be covered with colorful thread. I will be also honest, I try to put one stitch next to another. I am not overlapping them, because they don't look as nice as if they are together in laying one next to each other. I also like about this embroidery because I can just sit on my couch, watch TV, listen to YouTube and embroider. This is very relaxing process for me, and I just can't wait to see the tunic finished and to wear it to friend, to work, because I definitely will get some compliments, because I really like how these butterflies are looking now. I will just make few more stitches just to show you how I finish off. If you would like to have more embroidery on cotton, or if you have a favorite if you would like to have more embroidery on cotton, or if you have a favorite piece of clothes in your wardrobe and are looking for an idea how to embellish it, please leave me a comment. I read all of them, I reply to them, and I will check out, and perhaps in one of my future videos I will check out your comment and make something. And hopefully that will inspire you and you will share with us what you will make. That would be awesome. Okay, let me show you how I finish off. I look at the back to see where are more threads. I go with needle under the thread. I untangle if they need to be untangled. Okay, I will show you again. Here I put the needle close and I watch that I don't go too deep into a fabric. I pull, then I make a small knot, and just to make double sure that it won't untangle, I pull and then I go a few millimeters next to another stitch, and I go with the needle under the stitches and pull again and just snip it off like this. And you will see that my two stop stitches that I made in the beginning blend too into the embroidery and are not seen. Please let me know how you like my video and see you in the next one. Bye!